This is Lakshmi here. I started my career way back in 2007 when I completed my graduation as a bachelor's in computer science. I immediately joined an Accenture Services Private Limited, Chennai, where I worked as a software engineer in testing domain. Working there for about 2.5 years, I had to relocate from Chennai after my marriage. So I quit my job and I had to move to North India. I thought I'll settle down there. And then after about 5 years, we came back to Chennai. But then I had to, take care of my two kids. And then, so I didn't think back to, returning to work. Then after some time, then now I thought my kids are a little independent enough. So I thought, why can't I join back? And then I just sourced indePenn through my social media. Just like that, I saw indePenn and I just send my resume there. Those workshops really helped us to, regain the confidence. It helped me to, balance work and family that time. So those workshops really helped me to, come back and give that what is needed for the current technology, or for what is needed for the current source of IT industry. I had that hesitation, IT industry to get back and all, to was a little more stressed. But Rani ma'am helped me. She said, you have a very good CV for yourself as a tester in IT industry. Why don't you, try in testing itself? I think I had a career break of about 10 years. And then coming back into IT, you need a lot of upskilling, then the confidence, the technology vibe, all those things is needed. The managing director, John, even he was very much encouraging and motivating me. Doesn't look like a career break at all, that you have been really, interested and passionate about learning. I'm proud of myself because, never thought that I would do this. But definitely indePenn has given me that confidence. I think I must say that I'm really grateful to indePenn, that that motivation and that encouragement that Rani ma'am has given me. They never taught me that I'm a person with a break or something like that. I know there are people, a lot of ladies, a lot of women out there, who are always trying to come out of that comfort zone, that four walls, and get back to do something, to stand up on their own feet. Trying to come out, because after building their family, they want some financial, support from their side as well. So, but they are also looking for, companies like indePenn, which will be a great motivation for them. And definitely, this break numbers are just going to be numbers only. And only you need to have that passion and interest to learn. Rani ma'am said you can even do some part-time jobs, or some, if you're not able to commute, you can do some work from home jobs. This work from home, I had a lot of questions in my mind, that what will be the timing, the hours, will that be extended? Because again, the responsibilities are there from time to time for any family women. Rani ma'am and Rajni ma'am, they both, made it very crisp on this. So wherever you go, have that time planning and the time management, and always reporting things, mail communication, all that, those workshops really, made me understand of what this WFS jobs look like. That was one thing that I really have to mention here. And second thing is balancing family and work. I actually did not inform from family, for more than a year that I'm working, actually, because they will never take it in a positive way. That if I'm going to say that I'm returning back to work, they'll always say that who's going to look after your kids, who's going to look after your family. So that will be the only question that is going to come. I was just telling them that I'm learning something and just getting myself equipped for work. But just few months back only, I informed my family itself that I'm working. They were really, happy and appreciating me that I could balance both family and work.